So hey y'all, welcome to my channel. So I'm gonna take it like a challenge and attempt to do my makeup in 5 minutes. And I usually when I do my makeup, I just love doing it like this entire self-therapy ritual. I take like all my time and I do it really slow. I honestly wanted to do something which I will actually wear, and I wanted to do something which I feel like I can't live without. Like for example, it's contouring for me and using a blush. These are some things which I just can't like do without. So I don't want to skip on steps because I want to win the challenge, but I want to kind of in a very, very practical way see if it's possible to do a good, a good, nice makeup tutorial within 5 minutes. So we're going to be timing ourselves and let's start off. Okay, so I've set it for 5 minutes now and I'm gonna start. Okay, that already started. So I'm gonna start with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I need my concealer, so just the tiniest bit, a little, literally everywhere. Okay, I don't think I'm winning, especially with, like, I have this perfection problem where I have to do everything and not skip. It's the OCD. And I mean, like, legit OCD. So, yeah. Okay. Okay, kinda. What do you think? Doing the same on that side? Okay, I'm kind of going all over the place because I want to attempt winning. Like, I'm just going to assume that I actually have only 5 minutes. So, we want to win, right? Okay, so moving on to the Fenty Easy Drops, which is literally what I use when I go outside. And it's a good skin tint if you have oily skin. Okay, that much is good enough. Proatic Kabuki brush. This is literally what I do when I want to do my makeup like really fast. That's literally like the most messiest application, but it's well blended in. I got concealer on my hair. I mean foundation. I don't think this is meant for foundation, but it works really well for foundation. Okay, moving on to contour. Just a couple of random lines. I'm not doing forehead contour. Yeah, I don't have a brush for it. Found one. I should have kept all my brushes, no? Oh, and I used the Tipsy's contour wand. It's pretty nice. Whatever is left, sides of the nose, a bit on the forehead. Simply Nam blush. I will let you know the shade later. They don't have a mirror on this. Damn, I should have thought about it. Applying a bit of blush. Taking some more. I should have used a powder blush, which can compensate as an eyeshadow. I'm an idiot. Okay, this is how we learn. So going ahead with some good amount of blush. Okay, I think I have a decent amount of blush. Eyebrows. Maybelline Stato Studio Brow Gel. I hope I pronounced that right. Just going with a bit of product. Okay, now we're just gonna jump into the Huda setting powder. And I'm gonna set myself very aggressively. Skipping all the blush area because as usual, I wanna keep it glowy in that place. So setting only my pores and the upper lip and the side of my mouth and the forehead and a little bit on the lid if needed, but I am going to be doing like a drizzle of eyeshadow. So picking up the Huda Naughty Nude eyeshadow palette, taking up the hugest brush I have. There's a shade in this called as Rough. It's literally like my go-to neutral eyeshadow shade. So I'm just creating like a soft blend of that all across the lid because I have like spidery veins and I feel like it looks really odd. Oh gosh, if somebody sees me doing my eyeshadow like this, it's like the worst insult. Same brush, squeezing it a little on the lower lash line. Okay. What next? What next? What next? Mascara. Mama Earth's volumizing mascara. I'm gonna be a little slow in this because if I mess this up, cleaning that mess is worse. So a good coat of mascara, a little underneath too, because damn. Okay, not bad. I mean, I'm almost done. I finished mascara. I just have lips, but then we lost. So I have the Parul Garg's lipstick in the shade Cosmos, chocolate Cosmos. Okay, I'm really upset. I really thought I can win, you know. Okay, this is gonna take me a moment, like for that to sink in. Okay, so we lost the challenge. So from the time which it rang, I feel like I took like an extra 1 minute to do my lips. And probably I should have not gone for a liquid lip. I should have done something like a bullet, just like really fast. But I think it's okay. Like it turned out okay. If I would add on a couple of steps, I would just say that do the lipstick a little more better and the mascara a little better. And ideally, I should have done my setting spray, which I missed. But that's about it. That is how it went. I feel it's okay. Like let's just see what we have done. Okay, not bad. I just got some weird. I don't even know why I got a mascara splatter here. Like it's possibly not possible for it to come here. And I have a little bit of it touching my lid here and there. Like the mascara application, I feel is messy. I feel the base looks actually nice. Like the base doesn't look bad. It's the Fenty foundation. Trust me, it's like the best thing, the eavesdrops. So that is literally what it looks like. What do you guys think? I feel like it's the most useless challenge. I don't even know why I'm doing this. I was thinking if I should do it or not and if I should actually be filming it because it's ultimately stupid. But in case if you want to try something like this and if you're genuinely somebody who has no time and you're a last minute girl, I think you can try this and be a little more fast, maybe with the foundation, because I feel like I took some amount of time. But the brush is amazing. This brush. This is the Pro Arte's Kabuki brush. It just says AP61. This one is really nice. I don't even know if it's meant for doing the foundation, but it's like perfect to finish the entire face in like a quick swipe. So that's about it. We lost, but I think we were pretty close to winning. So just a little more time, just like 30 seconds more, I would have finished it. We failed, but we almost did do well. So let's just sign off with that. And I hope you all have a good day. So see you later. Until next time. Bye bye.